How to become a virtual assistant. A guide to becoming a successful virtual assistant. 1. Understand the role of a virtual assistant. Before embarking on your journey, it's crucial to have a clear understanding of what a remote virtual assistant does. Online virtual assistants provide administrative, creative, technical, or specialized support to clients remotely. 2. Identify your niche and services. To stand out as a remote virtual assistant, it's beneficial to specialize in a particular niche or industry. Determine your areas of expertise and interests, and tailor your services accordingly. 3. Develop essential skills. Successful virtual assistants possess a range of skills that contribute to their effectiveness. These skills include excellent communication, organization, time management, attention to detail, problem-solving, and adaptability. 4. Set up your home office. Creating a conducive work environment is vital for productivity as an online virtual assistant. Designate a dedicated workspace in your home that is free from distractions. 5. Establish an online presence. Building a strong online presence is crucial for attracting clients as an online virtual assistant. Create a professional website that highlights your services, expertise, and contact information. 6. Develop a professional network. Networking plays a pivotal role in the virtual assistance industry. Connect with other remote virtual assistants, entrepreneurs, and professionals in your niche. 7. Define your pricing and packages. Determine your pricing structure based on factors like your skill level, experience, and market demand. Consider offering different service packages to cater to various client needs. 8. Acquire clients. Securing clients is a crucial aspect of becoming a successful online virtual assistant. Start by leveraging your existing network and reaching out to potential clients in your target market. Utilize freelance platforms, job boards, and social media to find opportunities. 9. Deliver outstanding service. To thrive as a remote virtual assistant, consistently provide exceptional service to your clients. Communicate clearly, meet deadlines, exceed expectations, and maintain professionalism at all times. 10. Continuously learn and evolve. The virtual assistance industry is constantly evolving. Stay updated with the latest tools, technologies, and trends relevant to your niche. Continuously seek feedback from clients and implement improvements.